Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the minimum out of all the numbers that are present in our Excel sheet. So these are multiple numbers that I have written down and I want to calculate what is the minimum value out of all these numbers. So for that, Excel has a predefined function known as min. So in the cell where you want to calculate the minimum, just type equal to, then type min. Okay, Excel will predict a min function. So press on that function. You just need to press the tab on your keyboard to select this function, and automatically Excel will write the name of this function and start an opening bracket. Now inside this opening bracket, you need to specify all the cells that contain the values out of which you want to calculate the minimum value. So you press on the first cell, click on it, and then press the shift key, hold the down arrow on your keyboard and select the entire range of numbers out of which you want to calculate the minimum. Now after selecting the range, you have to close the bracket that was opened and then press enter, and the Excel will show you the result, which is the minimum value out of these. So now when you look at this range manually, you will see that Excel has shown you the correct result. The minimum value is 19 here, and the next value which is higher than 19 is 25, then 32, and so on. Okay, so another way of calculating minimum is to type min. Remember, Excel is not case sensitive, so when you type min and you type the opening bracket, then also Excel will accept this formula correctly. So another way of choosing the range of cells is to press on the first cell and to take your cursor on the extreme right bottom side of this cell that you have selected. Then using your mouse, you drag down till the last cell that you want to select, and that is another way of choosing the range of numbers to calculate the minimum. Then you close the bracket, press enter, and again you'll get the result. So this was how we can calculate the minimum value out of all the values that are present in our Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.